Hey everyone, I am back with a new question of LeetCode. Today we are going to solve question number 13, Roman 20, sir. This is an easy problem statement, so we have to just mainly read the problem statement. Let's read the statement for better understanding. Roman numerals are represented by the seven different symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. And we use the I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. For example, 2 is written as a double I in Roman numerals, and just two ones added together, 112, is written as X double I, which is the simply X plus double I. The number 27 is written as double X V double I, which is the double X plus V plus I. It means 20 plus 5 plus 2. And the Roman numerals are usually written in largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numerals for 4 is not 4 time I instead of the number 4 is written as IV, because 1 is before 5. We subtract subtract it making for the same principle applies to the numbers 9, which is written as the IX. There are 6 instances where subtraction is used. I can be placed before V and X to make 4 and 9. X can be placed before L and C to make 40, 90, and C can be placed before D and M to make 4000, sorry, 400 and 900. Let's see the example for better understanding. We can see that the S is equal to triple I. Triple I represents the 3 in integer. In explanation, you can see that the triple I is equal to 3 because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to triple I and is equal to 3. Let's see the example number 2. S is equal to L with triple I. L means 50 and V means 5 and triple I means 3. You can see that the output is equal to 58, and in explanation you can see that L is equal to 50, V is equal to 5 and triple I equal to 3. Just we have to addition of them, and we get the 58. This is output, and in example number 3 you can see that MCMX CIV output is equal to 100, sorry, 1994. In explanation, you can see that the M is equal M represent as 1000, CM represent 900, and XC represent 90, and IV represent the 4. And you can see that that's the reason our output is equal to 1994. And for this problem statement, we have to create a function which will return the value as per the character. We can just make a function integer value. Here we will pass character, and you can see that the if t is equal to I, then we will just return 1. And that's for all. We will just copy and paste, and we have to just change the value. uh Sorry, we will the write here cap in capital I, and here is V. We returns 5, and here is 10, and X returns 10, and L returns 50, and C returns 100, and D returns 500, and the M returns 1000. And we have to just return the 0 in case nothing is happen, because this is integer function, so we have to must return something. And in we have to just in main function we will create the integer sum for the main output, and the for loop it will run integer I is equal to 0, I less than s dot size I plus plus, and if I plus 1 less than s dot size s dot size and value, we just call the value and I less than value of s plus si plus 1, then we will just sum minus is equal to value as I. Here, let's I explain you what's happening. We are just checking the here the next character is available or not, and here is checking that the first character is greater than is if the first character is less than from the next character, we have to just minus the here because here you can see that. Here we represent 4 as IV. In case the less than, we have to just minus that conditions and just see the next condition. And else sum plus is equal to value of S of I. That's it. And we have to just return value. Sorry, yes, sorry, we have to return sum. Return sum. Let's run this code and see what's happening. Here we can see that all three cases are passed, and this is simple. Like you can see that we just firstly created a function integer value which will check the function and here we can see that the here we use the for loop, and in if condition we are checking that the second character is available or not, and here we checking that the value the first character is a value is less if the less than from second character's value, we just subtract from the sum, and else we will the addition, and let's submit it for checking. You can see that the our all test cases are passed 3999, and for this time complexity is often because we are we are the iterating the for loop for every character and time, and the time complexity is often because we are not storing the anything any characters. And thank you for watching. I will come with a new programming statement of LeetCode, and thank you and like and subscribe.